Now come to the question number 8 beta. And what is that? Start with integer 3 and subtract 8, means 3 minus 8. Okay, first step. 2 in 3 we have written, it means it will be plus 3. Which rule you will apply? 2. Now rules and result and how to solve integer. Now it should be clear to everybody one of you, because in the previous month of Kepler also we learned all these things, and again we are repeating. Now nobody should be doubt how to solve the integers. Everybody's concept now it should be very clear in solving the integers. Now see, two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted with greater value sign. Greater value sign. Okay, means 8 minus 3, 5. What is greater value? Minus 5. Now see that in what next step what he is saying, that from the answer, this answer, okay, he said that from 3 subtract 8 and what will come? Minus 5. Then in next step he is saying from this answer, means from minus 5, okay, subtract 1. Minus 5 minus 1. Which rule will be applied? Two same sign numbers. Same sign numbers are always what it will be? Added. Added with their sign. With their sign. Means whatever sign they will have. 5 plus 1, 6. What sign they are having? Minus. Okay. Now 2 steps has completed. Now what is saying? Then multiply the answer by minus 4. Then multiply the answer by minus 4. This is the minus. Multiply it by 4. Okay. Minus 6 into minus 4. Now write that. Minus into minus. Many of you are writing. What you are writing? I have seen while you are solving and sending the answer to me at the time. In this case, you are applying addition and subtraction property. And this case, many of you were writing plus into minus. That is wrong. Here two opposite sign will come. Here many of your children were writing minus into minus is equal to plus. No, that is wrong. Means while we will see between two numbers what sign is there. Multiplication, you can see that multiplication rule will be applied. You can see that between two numbers into sign is there. So we can apply multiplication rule here. Okay. Now minus into minus is equal to plus. So positive result. 6 4 ja 24. Means what result will come? 24. Still our question has not completed. Now come to the next part of this question. What he is saying in the next part? Now subtract 15 from the answer. Whatever answer you got, 24 minus 15. Okay. And you already know what will come? 9. 40 minus 5, 9. And 1 minus 1, 0. So what will come? 9. Okay. Now what do you get? So what you will get? 9 you will get. Understanding? Just see again what was the question. I am repeating this. He is saying that start from integer 3. Subtract 8 from it. In this way we will get minus 5. Then he said in the resultant value minus 5 subtract 1 from this number. Subtract with minus. Okay. So you can see again which rule we have applied, and what result will come? Minus 6. Then he said the result, whatever result you got, multiply that by minus 4. Then we have multiplied and we got the 24 as a result. And finally he said then subtract 15 from the result. Then what answer you will get? We have decided that 9 we are getting. In this way it was the question number 8. Now we are proceeding to the next one. Now see that beta. Come to the question number 9. What is that? Replace the blank with integer to make it true statement. What is the question? Minus 3. Okay. place of dash you just make one box. Okay, is equal to minus 24. Okay, when you will have into sign, at that time how you will solve? You will put this bracket here, means whatever answer you have to get. Okay, is equal to minus 24 upon minus 3. Why this number has come in denominator? Because whenever we are having the numbers in multiplication, okay, write this, try to understand a into b. If it is equal to c, and suppose we have to find the value of a, so a you keep here, it will become c upon b. Or if suppose next time you have to find the value of b, put value of b here and it will become c upon a. By this rule we are solving this question. Okay, now what will be the box value? Minus and minus will become cancel. 3 8 are 24. So box answer will be 8. Means here what answer you will get? 8. Have you understood? Maybe I am hoping that you will understand. I am doing one more part of this question. We are doing second part of this question. See how I am doing that question also, and then rest of the part you complete them yourself. Here beta, don't say that you are at home, so it's your responsibility also that whatever the question we are leaving for your personal practice, we can do our part, but in this way you will not be able to learn the question. Till that you will not practice yourself, you will not be able to solve the problems. Okay, so better is that whenever we are teaching something and leaving some question for your practice, you just complete those questions immediately after seeing the video, so that you can understand the problems. Okay, now see one more part I am doing. 9th question, B part I am doing. Okay, so simple question is there. 7 into dash. Dash means what I told, you just make one box here, is equal to minus 62. Okay, it is like same, so I am not doing B part. Here places are not changed. I am taking C part. It is little bit different so that you may understand. Okay, dash means box. Okay, we are making box from our side, multiplied by minus 7 is equal to minus 21. See that box is equal to minus 21 upon minus 7. Minus and minus will become cancel. 7 3 are 21. So box answer will be 3. So I am not doing rest of the part of this question. B, D part you will perform yourself. Okay. Now I am coming to the question number that is 10. Okay. Now see that what is the question number 10. I am reading that question. You just see in your book. Whenever you are looking the videos, take book also with you so that you may understand. If I will write the question here, then it will take too much time and we will complete very less portion in this way. So I am not writing the questions on the blackboard. You just see the question from your book. Now see that question number 10. What is that? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 4 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade per hour. What will be the room temperature 12 hours after the process begins? See that what he is saying in this question. Try to understand the concept. He is saying that beginning when the temperature was noted for the room, it was 4 degrees centigrade, and after that for each hour the temperature was decreasing. How much it was decreasing? 5 degrees centigrade in 1 hour. And after, he is asking that after 12 hours what will be the temperature of that room. See that initial temperature is equal to 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, decrease in temperature in 1 hour. Okay, how much temperature is decreasing in 1 hour? 5 degrees centigrade. So decrease in 12 hours. In 12 hours is equal to 12 5 ja 60. 12 into 5 is equal to 60 degree centigrade. And then finally, final temperature after 12 hours is equal to what it will be? For decrease, what sign we are taking? Minus. For decrease, what sign we are taking? Minus. So you know na, in beginning I taught you for increasing plus or for decreasing minus. So it will be multiplied with minus 5 is equal to. Okay. Now final temperature after 12 hours is equal to 4 plus, add them, 4 plus minus 60 degree. I am writing it here so that you may not be confused. 12 plus minus 60 degree centigrade means after 12 hours, if I will tell you that this time the temperature of the room is suppose 22 degree centigrade. Okay, and what will be the temperature at the night? Suppose if it is increasing 1 degree or 0.5 degree every hour. So what you will do after 4 hours? What will be the temperature? We will add whatever the temperature will be, means how much it is increasing, according to that rate we will do. But here decreasing temperature, because there was decreasing in temperature, so we will take minus 5. Okay, and decreasing in 1 hour it was decreasing 5 degrees, so we have taken minus 5 degree centigrade. Decrease in temperature in 12 hours. If in 1 hour it is decreasing 5 degree, in next again 1 hour it will also decrease 1 means 5 more. In this way the process will go. So we will see that after 12 hours how much it will decrease, minus 60 degree. And final temperature is equal to after 12 hours 4 plus minus 60. So apply the rule. Here it will be plus 4 plus into minus, plus into minus. Two sign we can't take together. It will come minus. So you take 4 minus 60. Now which rule it will be applied? Two same sign number. Now two opposite sign number. Two opposite sign number are always subtracted with greater value sign. Greater value sign. Now subtract. Subtract in a simple way. 60 minus 4, 56. What is the greater value sign? Minus 56. What will be then? Minus 56 degree centigrade. So in this way you can understand this question. It was the last question from exercise 1.3. Now we are proceeding to the next one.